happening, RecTech family? Ray Carnes, co-founder of TEC Grills. I'm here with my man,
Stevie Fredericks, Twisted Burrito Evans. Oh, sorry, Phil. My bad.
Let's grill today. What are we doing, man?
Tri-tip.
Tri-tip.
What is tri-tip, Ray?
It's the bottom half of the sirloin.
Wow, you did your research today, huh?
Yeah, well, I like to know my stuff before we start talking about it, right?
Outstanding.
So this is a real simple recipe, okay? We're gonna smoke these today. We're going for an internal of about 145. We're gonna hit them with some olive oil. We're gonna put some of our RecTech Heffer dust on them, which is basically like a garlic and salt pepper mixture. And what we're gonna do these on the Bullseye, and we're actually gonna make a Au Jus underneath. The cool thing about the Bullseye, it's in a league of its own. It's got enough space between the deflector and the grate where you can add a water tray. And what we're gonna do here today, if you'll switch with me. Oh, that feels weird switching, doesn't it?
I don't like this side.
Yeah. So we're gonna just take some beef broth while Stevie's rubbing those down. And we're gonna use about 32 ounces. I just had a little left over in this one. But you could do as much as you like. And we're gonna put that beef broth with 1 pack of Au Jus, and that's it. We're keeping it simple. That's gonna go underneath this tri-tip. We're gonna just put them on the low and slow and hit that correct internal. So
Of what?
Low and slow?
I know. What internal we shooting for?
Oh, we're shooting for 145, right?
130, 135.
135.
Just had to get that in there, fix you a little bit.
Yeah, man. You've been correcting me all day.
I know.
Well, we're gonna shoot for 135 then, Stevie said. He's the expert. And we're gonna hit that 135, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice these guys against the grain. Now, the cool thing about a tri-tip, there's 2 actual muscles there, so the grain goes different directions. So you kind of have to change halfway through the way you slice, and we'll try to show you that when we do the video. So we're doing about 32 ounces of beef broth, and then we're just taking 1 pack of Au Jus.
That's expensive.
Yeah, this is 99 cents at your local grocery store. Dump it in there. That's it. It's easy, easy as it can be. We're gonna go put this on the Bullseye now. We'll see you at the RecTech. So we got this tri-tip. We went 225 on the Bullseye for about 2 hours and 15 minutes. We got an internal of 135. Because the grains go 2 different directions in this piece of meat, we're gonna cut this in half right now. What we did, we made this Au Jus. We also made a chimichurri sauce. It will be in the note section, correct?
Correct.
All right, so we're gonna cut that half. Look at this.
Beautiful.
That's gorgeous, man. That's gorgeous. So we're gonna slice this up. We're gonna serve it 2 ways. One with Au Jus, one with the chimichurri.
Now with the Au Jus, made that in the bottom with the drippings.
Yeah, the drippings got in there. It's got we tasted it. It's got like a nice smoky flavor. It's amazing that it picked up some smoke. So it's really good, easy way to just make some sauce while you're cooking something. You can do that with a prime rib, a brisket, anything like that if you're doing smoking.
While you're talking.
All right. You want to do it up?
Piece of that, cut that up.
Look at that, man.
Oh, well, never mind.
No, it's fine.
It's like a fish.
All right. All right, here's your pieces. Let me get some. I mean, yeah, man. We're trying to get you to,
Grow a little?
Grow a little.
I've grown a lot.
Look how beautiful this is. All right, so you can serve this up a couple ways. Like I said, Steve's going to do it with the chimichurri. We've got this Au Jus, and we didn't do anything except put this under the pan to catch the drippings. beautiful. Great with some mashed potatoes or something like that. What do you think? I'll let you have the first go at it.
That's delicious. Tri-tip
That
is
is
the
banging.
new rage.
That is banging. Remember, on this second piece, the grain's going a different direction. You cut it this way. That is on point. Check it out. Go to rectechgrills.com. I'm sorry.
Laughing at the production people.
Check us out on social media. Thanks for grilling with me today, guys. Take care.